Hey e-bike enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 folding electric bikes of 2025. These bikes are perfect for commuters, adventurers, or anyone looking for the ultimate combination of convenience, power, and portability. Whether you're riding in the city or hitting the trails, we'll cover key features like battery life, speed, and foldability to help you choose the best model for your lifestyle. Check out the links in the description for full details on each bike, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech and gear reviews. Let's ride. Starting at number 5, ZPW-RS6 Electric Folding Bike. Its space is an issue, but you still want a powerful ride. The ZPW-RS6 is the perfect fit. This compact foldable electric bike features a 960 watts peak motor and a 48-volt 10Ah battery, delivering speeds up to 21.7 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. It's designed for city commuters and casual riders alike, with 14 fat tires that are perfect for navigating city streets or off-road trails. The full suspension system ensures a smooth ride no matter the terrain, and the 3 riding modes, Pure Electric, Assist, and Fitness, let you adapt your ride to any situation. Plus, it's easy to fold and store, making it a convenient choice for those with limited space. The ZPW-RS6 offers a fun, efficient, and comfortable riding experience, ideal for both commuting and weekend adventures. Number 4. The Vivi Electric Folding Bike is your go-to option for everyday commuting with a touch of adventure. Powered by a 500 watts motor, it's perfect for daily rides and occasional outings. The removable 48-volt battery offers up to 50 miles of range, depending on the riding mode, and it folds down for easy storage in cars or small spaces. It also comes with 20 skid-resistant tires and a 7-speed gear system, so you can handle a variety of road conditions with ease. The 5 working modes, including cruise control and pedal assist, give you plenty of flexibility, while the front and rear disc brakes offer reliable stopping power. The Vivi bike is easy to assemble and includes a 1-year after-sales service, so you're covered from day one. At number 3, the D-Power G20 Pro is a versatile e-bike built for performance and comfort. Its 1,000 watts motor provides up to 30 miles per hour of speed, while the 48V25Ah battery offers an impressive 50 to 70 miles of range on a single charge. The bike's fat tires and lockable shock-absorbing fork easily handle rough terrains, making it perfect for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. It features a 7-speed gear system and 3 riding modes, Pure Electric, Pedal Assist, and Manual, so you can customize your ride. The large LCD display keeps you informed of speed, battery life, and distance. Safety is a priority, with strong mechanical disc brakes and bright LED lights for night rides. Pre-assembled and easy to set up, the D-Power G20 Pro is ready to ride wherever you want to go. At number 2, D-Power H20 Pro Max Folding Electric Bike needs serious power and portability. The D-Power H20 Pro Max delivers with its 2,000 watts motor, giving you speeds up to 35 miles per hour and a battery range of up to 80 kilometers. Ideal for city commuters, this bike's folding design allows you to store it in compact spaces like cars or elevators. The fat tires and full suspension absorb bumps, making it great for all terrains, while the oil brake system ensures safe stops, even at high speeds. Its multifunction control panel lets you monitor battery life, speed, and assist mode with ease. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on mountain roads, the D-Power H20 Pro Max is designed for riders who want both power and convenience. Fold it, store it, and hit the road with confidence. At number 1, Idotata DPE-A1 Folding Electric Bike. Looking for an all-terrain electric bike that's easy to handle? The Idotata DPE-A1 might be just what you need. With a powerful 1,000 watts motor and a removable 48-volt 20Ah battery, this bike gives you a top speed of 31 miles per hour and up to 50 kilometers of range per charge. It offers 3 riding modes, Pure Electric, Pedal Assist, and Pedal Only, so you can ride however you prefer. Plus, its adjustable suspension fork and fat tires make rough terrains like beaches and mountains feel like a breeze. Safety isn't an issue with the front and rear mechanical disc oil brakes, and its bright LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility in low light. The Idotata DPA1 comes 90% pre-assembled, so setting it up is quick and easy. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this bike is built for comfort, durability, and convenience. Thanks for tuning in to JM Express. We hope you enjoyed our latest review and found it helpful in making informed decisions about the products you're interested in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.